This is like a bootleg Bart Simpson clock. Pretty cool. Here's a button on its head here, which has the alarm function, and I'll change it to the time that needs to be on there. So you got that, I think. Yeah. So it's almost 12 o'clock on here, as you can see. But we're gonna put it on. Ready? Right, there we go. So it plays that little section. The guitar lights should go like backwards and forwards, but for some reason this one just flashes there. But it does work at the beginning. See? Then it stops, I have no idea why, but yeah. Thanks on YouTube. Bye. Bye. Bye.